I think victims are deprived by justice with the bankruptcy. These victims will not have the opportunity to go before a jury of their peers and put the Boy Scout leaders on the witness stand and say, and to admit to the jury what they've done for decades in covering this up. That's not going to come out. They favored and they protected their reputation over the protection and safety of children, and that got them into this circumstance. And the Boy Scouts only have themselves to blame for being in bankruptcy now. Boy Scouts are going to go into court. They're going to ask for various protections, one in which they want to ask the bankruptcy court to sort of give them the keep the lights on kind of money, pay salaries, etc., pay bonds that are due. They'll also ask for a stoppage of some of the cases in state court. In fact, they've already asked for that and have a hearing on that with the judge. Many more people out there who are abused than are going to come forward. That's very clear to me. And for those people who do come forward, they need to act, because there's going to be a very short window in which time people need to file their claims. This deals with people's lives, and I think the 80 days that the Boy Scouts proposed in their bankruptcy petition is unconscionable. And I think that we're going to seek a longer period of time for these men to come forward. But men need to come forward. That's the thing is, I'm telling also my clients that they have to be thinking really clearly about what their claims are, and we know their claims, but we're going to have to put that into a claim form for them. And so it's just going to be a period of really moving kind of fast now. And we're not going to have years to do this. No, I don't think they shifted any assets. I mean, the Boy Scouts of America have basically their investments. The Boy Scouts of America have basically their investments in the Boy Scouts of that's their investments and various properties. And those properties are basically 4 properties. There's one called the Florida Sea Base off the southwest coast of Florida. There's a Northern Tier Council in Minnesota. There is a facility, camp in West Virginia. And then the crown jewel is in Philmont, New Mexico, where every Boy Scout probably for the last 50 or 60 years clearly has gone. The Boy Scouts are going to try to make the pot this small, and the creditors want more money thrown into that pot to really represent the true assets of the Boy Scouts of America. I don't think they're moving assets around, because they already are in essence in control of those assets.
So how does bankruptcy filing affect those assets?